How to fix App Store cannot connect. If you're not being able to connect to your App Store, it can be pretty much frustrating. But in this video, here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Simply go ahead and turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. You can also try switching between them to find the best stable connection. Once you are connected to an internet, it'll then fix. Your App Store should be fixed right away. If the problem still persists, then you can try restarting your device. Press and hold the power switch and then slide the power off button at the top. Reboot your system, and after you are done, go back to App Store and check if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't help, you can check Apple's system status page. If you're using an iOS device, then you can see if the App Store service is experiencing any outages or issues. Simply go ahead and open up your Safari web browser and then type in www.apple.com/support/system status. After you are done with it, from this page, you can go ahead and check if there is any issues or outages. If there is a problem from Apple's end, you might need to wait until they resolve the issue. After the issue has been resolved, you'll be able to use your App Store. Another thing you can do is to update your device. Always ensure that your device is running the latest software version. If you are using an outdated software, it can cause connectivity issues. So go and tap on your settings app icon from the app drawer, and from the settings menu, tap on General. Tap on the software update button under General and check for the latest update for your operating system. If you find one, tap the download and install button to begin the download process. Once your software has been updated, you can go ahead and check if your App Store issue is still going on. Also, make sure to disable if you are using any VPN or a proxy on your device. Sometimes these services can interfere with the App Store connection. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through App Store cannot connect issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.